Good morning, students, and welcome back to the history class. As you know, in the last class, I taught you chapter 3, River Valley Civilization and the Indus Valley Civilization. And this chapter was incompleted, and today again we are going to start and complete this chapter. Okay, the students are requested to please open your book, your history book, page number 16. In that class, I had taught you about the civilization, where the most of the civilization start near the river valley, and there is so many reasons are there. The people who would like to settle near the bank of river, and there are many purpose, and the purpose behind that are the available of water for drinking, bathing, cooking, irrigation and ritual form. And again the regular flooding in the river brought the alluvial silt, which was good for growing good crops, and the river also lead to the transportation. Then why it is Indus Valley civilization? Because this civilization start near the bank of Indus, and this civilization known as Indus Valley civilization. And most of the historians, they believed this civilization start from 2500 BC to 1600 BC. Okay, and most of the historians, they exaggerate the things from the Indus Valley civilization, but most of the thinker, they thought this civilization were built in 500 BC. But some of the evidence and changes on discovery, they changed the concept and showed that this civilization was at least formed before 3500 years. Okay, then we studied the discovery. The historian Charles Mason and Sir Alexander Cunning, they also exhibited and they tried to discover the things which they could found in the Indus Valley. Then after that, two of our Indians, these two, Rakhaldas Banerjee and Dayaram Sahani, they brought some of the evidence and which proved about the Indus Valley civilization. Then come to architecture and town planning. Already I taught you what was their town planning. It was, if you read about the town planning, you cannot believe. The town, the big road divide the town among itself, and there were so many small roads which connect to the big road, and both sides the roads, the houses were built up, and they could know the system of drainage. They know the drainage system, and some of the drain they connect to the bathroom and kitchen. Okay, thereafter the Great Bath, and the Great Bath brought the big example for the upcoming generation. And the Great Bath, it has a great importance to the life of Indus Valley. Then granary system. Granary system, which is a huge structure made of fire bricks, and the people of Indus Valley, they could store their food or their crops for their future. Then the society, already the society divided into three categories, and first one was priest, and who performed the ritual format. Then second one, the leader who could rule and serve the administrative system. Then third one, leaders and priest, both they belong to first category. Then merchant, who brought the second category, who involved in the form of trade and commerce. And at the last, who remain? Labor. At the last, labor. Okay. Then we know about the agriculture. The agriculture, they were very much performed in the field of agriculture. They were very good in the agriculture. They can grow wheat, barley, cotton, maize, millets, their chief crop. Okay. The next, today we will start the seal. The most of the historians, they believed and they excavated more than 2000 seals. And most important thing is that they could show which was the seal engraved, some of the pictures, and who were there: humpback, elephant, and rhinoceros. The animal of these pictures and these seals were used in their ritual form, and this could had been considered the sacred. And many of these seals, they probably used for their trade and commerce. And these seals provide us the lot of information, the life of Indus Valley, their society, their economy, and their culture. And some of the seals which connect the similar connection to the Mesopotamian, the pictures or the seals which has the similar connect to the Mesopotamian. That means they believe that Mesopotamia and the Indus Valley civilization, there was a good connection. Okay. Then come to script. Indus Valley script is one of the earliest known script. The Indus Valley script, it was the earlier known script. And you can see the pictograph, some of the pictures, words, phrase which indicate the meaning of their expression, which indicate their life. And some of the words, they can represent the sound also. They could represent the sound. Then come to religion. Okay. The people of Indus Valley, they were great devotee of God. And their main god is Horn God. Their main god was Horn God. And this Horn God was seen seated on a stool, or sometimes it seated on the ground. On the other side, if you see the Horn God or some of the gods, one of the scholars identify that god considered as the Hindu god. And who is he? Shiva. And at that time they call their god Pashupati. Who is related to the animal. Then in the last paragraph, if you see the terracotta image, it shows the mother goddess. And they also devoted the nature, that means tree, maybe animals, maybe river, maybe mountain, maybe sun, or maybe moon. And some of their natural devoted were people tree, serpent, that means snake, animals, birds, or tree. Okay. Now the decline of Indus Valley. What were the reasons that historians believed the decline of Indus Valley? There are so many reasons. There is no only single fixed reason is there. There were so many reasons which means brought a great proof about the decline of Indus Valley. Some historians believe its ruin, by the natural calamities, effect of natural calamities like flood, earthquake, or fire destruction of civilization. And another change this proof, and they brought another reason. What was that? What was that? The changes in the environment. The changes in the environment which caused by deforestation. And another, they brought another reason. The foreign invaders came and they destroyed the Indus Valley civilization. So there are so many reasons the historian they put here, but which one is correct, no one knows. Okay, if you see these pictures in Indus Valley, look at here, there are many reasons behind the decline of Indus Valley. Okay, students, I think this much is enough for you. This much is enough for you. In the next class or in the next video, we will discuss the exercise. Children, stay safe, stay healthy. May God bless you.